Colors and promises, how to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Hi Ate Dayan, happy birthday. Actually hindi ko talaga alam kung anong date yung birthday mo. Pero buti na lang may nagpaalala sa akin. Na joke lang, baka magtampo kayo. Wish ko lang good health. Sana umuwi ka na. Miss na kita, miss ka na namin. Stay strong kayo ni Tita Helen. Yun na. Love you, I miss you. Uwi ka na, pasulunod ko.
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
Thank you po sa lahat. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday again. Mwah. Happy birthday, Ninang. I love you. I miss you. Thank you. Thank you nung top 1 ako. Pinanood niyo ako ng Ninja Turtles.
Happy birthday to the best Ninang in the world, Nox. So yun po, happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat. We miss you, we love you. See you sa April. Mwah. Happy birthday.
Step closer. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Sige. Okay na? Ay, anak. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman yung lahat, mami mo, tanam ng Diyos, wala na ibang hiling. Pinangarap na maging masaya tayo. Pero, napakasakit at malungkot ang pinagdadaan natin ngayon. So, kaya ang wish ko ngayong birthday mo, siyempre, nabigyan ng justice ang paggawa ng kuya mo. At hindi tayo titigil, lalo na kung hanggat hindi nabibigyan ng justice yan sa tulong ni Lord. At siyempre, kung gusto ko, maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Sana magkaroon ka na ng stable na trabaho. Siyempre, gusto ko rin lumigaya ka. Nauna yung love life mo, sana makita at makatagpo ka ng tamang tao para sa'yo. At ganoon din sa mami mo. Siyempre, sana, mami, mawala na lahat ng nararamdaman mo, maging malakas ka, maging matatag. At sana magkaroon tayo ng tamang desisyon kung saan talaga tayo, kung diyan sa New Zealand o dito sa Pilipinas. So, anak, inuulit ko, sana maging maligaya ngayong birthday mo sa mga darating pang panahon, magkaroon ka ng stable na trabaho. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ng mami mo, alam niyo yun. Pabay anak, mag-enjoy kayo ng mami mo. Alam ko kakakain kayo sa labas. Isipin nyo na lang nakasama niyo ako. 3 tayong kumakain. Love you anak. Love you mami. Okay, bye-bye.
I'll take care of you. Don't be sad, don't be blue. Just count on me your whole life through, 'cause I'll take care of you. I want you to know that I love you so. I'm proud to tell.
Ayan, birthday mo daw, tol. Magbigay daw ako ng video na may mensahe para surprise daw sa'yo. Wala, napilitan lang ako. Ayan, hindi, joke lang. Hindi, basta ganito. Yun lang, alam ko namang marami ka nang napagdaan ng sakit o kung ano mang tawag doon. Bukod doon sa huling nangyari na nawala yung kapatid natin, si RV. Pero lagi mong tandaan, may karamay ka, pamilya mo, kami. Turing mo na rin akong pamilya, ganun na din ang tingin ko kasi sa'yo talaga. Kasi si RV, syempre, hindi naman ibang tao sa akin yun. Basta, marami kang pinagdaanan, alam kong posibleng may dumating pa na mas mabibigat na hamon. Pero alam kong kayang-kaya mo naman kahit anong hirap sa'yo. At may gusto rin akong i-quote na galing sa Bible. A man makes his plans in his heart, but the Lord directs his steps. Proverbs 16:9. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Feel good. Rock and roll, man. Rock and roll, man.
When the snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning.
Idol, happy birthday. Good luck sa'yo. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Daddy. More birthdays to come. Matanda na ikaw. At baby boy Pogi will always be here for you. Okay? Peace, peace. Peace, 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 peace. Yeah, ingat.
Ayan, Daddy. Birthday mo ngayon. Ginangarag ako ni Mami na mag-video. Pero hindi, joke lang. Hindi. Ayun, di ba sabihin ko? Hindi ka sabihin ko. Basta, happy birthday na lang. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Hindi, wala. Good luck sa, sa inyo ni Mami. Good luck, di ba? Stay strong. Basta, ang wish ko ay lalo ka pang maging successful. Lalo ka pang gumapo. Joke. At lalo ka pang tawag ito? Basta, yun lang. Basta, you're my daddy, yo. You know that. Ingatan mo si Mami, ha? Tingnan mo, patulog na ako. Gumawa pa ako ng video. Hindi, joke lang. Okay lang yan. Basta, wafu, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Bye, Daddy. See you soon. Bye.
Dear Chudayan, happy birthday! Kahit hindi pa nagtatagpo ating mga landas I know in my heart, in my soul, you are here. Happy birthday!
Being broken apart,
You gave your love away.
and I'm thankful every day for the gift.
Happy birthday.
Ninang Dayan!
And all I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You saved my heart.
Happy birthday, Mexican.
Being broken apart.
Happy birthday, Munchkin.
Mexican.
Happy birthday, my Munchkin. Hope you enjoy your day. Much love to you and to Mum. Mum, hug you guys.
For the gift.
Hi, Dayan. Dahil malapit na ang kaarawan mo, gusto lang sana kitang batiin ng advance happy birthday. Ang wish ko sana lagi kang maging masaya at kalimutan ng mga problema para hindi ka papangit, okay? Basta masaya ako kapag masaya ka. Kahit na medyo hindi mo na ako naalala lately, andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
I am amazed when I look at you. I see you smiling back at me. It's like all my dreams come true. I am afraid if I lost you, girl, I'd fall through the cracks and lose my track in this crazy, lonely world. Sometimes it's so hard to believe women nights
Happy
can be
birthday.
so
I hope
long.
you enjoy your day
And
today.
faith
Tsaka,
give me the
always
strength
remember you are loved by
to keep me going on. You are the love of my life, and I'm so glad you found me. You are the love of my life. Baby, put your arms around me. I guess this is how it feels when you finally find something real.
Hello, Best Dayan. I do super miss you. It's been a while. I know there has been huge and unexpected events in our lives recently, and losing our loved one is something unbearable. And I think we have to realize that at least we have ample time to spend and share love, to continue sharing love to the people who is currently here and physically present in our lives, and at the same time keeping the wonderful memories with us every day. Meanwhile, guess what? It's your special day, and I want to tell you happy birthday, And I want you to know how much I love you and I miss you. Bess, I have known you for 21 years of my life, and do sure thankful that you're my best. I have known you for 21 years of my life, and do sure thankful that you're my best friend. And even though we are thousands of miles away, we both know we will always be there for each other in a heartbeat. Please do know that you are so special to me and to everybody else in your own special way. And I miss you so much, and I look forward to watching the sunset while drinking margarita with you in the beach in our senior years. But happy birthday, and I love you so much and miss you, okay? Take care always. I wish you the best. I wish you good health, and I wish you success in your endeavor in life. And again, I love you to the moon and back, and warm heart. Happy birthday. I love you.
Love of my life, and I'm so glad you found me. You are the love of my life. Baby, put your arms around me. I guess this is how it feels when you finally find something real. My angel in the night, you are my love. My angel in the night, you are my love, love of my life.